Managing multiple records for custom objects manually is repetitive and error-prone. To help you easily manage these tasks, you can now import custom object records in bulk with the same create and update flow you're used to for contacts and opportunities. Let's learn how to use them. To create new objects or update existing ones with a CSV file, head to the Custom Objects section and click Import. Click Next, then add your CSV file. Map the information to the corresponding fields inside the system, and if updating, select whether blank cells overwrite existing values, then click Next. Verify your mapping, then click Start Bulk Import. This new feature helps you maintain easily updated information, creating a seamless custom object management compatible with any previous systems you might have been used to. Using this method, you can ensure efficiency when managing custom object records, keeping things quick and neat even when information loads are big. We hope you enjoy it.